So today we finished setting up the other cylinder head for the studs. Not super exciting, but here's some time lapse. All right, here we are. This is the other cylinder head, and we are done. I am not super confident that all of these are straight. There were a couple of them that while the tap was in there, I was looking at them thinking, yeah, that's a little crooked. But whatever, we'll see. We'll put the studs in there and we'll see what happens. I mean, on some of these, like if you look down from like the valve stem across to the push rod, it's not exactly straight. Like this one, for example, is like the whole stand is this way just a little bit where it should be. So maybe the holes weren't straight to begin with. I don't know, whatever. We're not going for perfection. We're just going for good enough. It's not going to be, a NASCAR engine. It's just going to do burnouts and drive on the street. Probably both at the same time. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's our update for the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.